Staying fit doesn't have to be time-consuming. Here are 10 tips for simple fitness routines that busy people can easily incorporate into their schedules. 1. Focus on short, high-intensity workouts. 2. Utilize bodyweight exercises that can be done anywhere. 3. Incorporate physical activity into daily tasks, like taking the stairs. 4. Schedule your workouts like any other important appointment. 5. Try quick cardio sessions, like a 10-minute jump rope routine. 6. Use fitness apps for guided, efficient workouts. 7. Keep workout gear accessible to reduce prep time. 8. Opt for activities that combine fun and exercise, like dancing. 9. Practice yoga or stretching exercises to relax and stay flexible. 10. Remember, consistency is key. Even short workouts add up over time. These tips can help you maintain fitness without disrupting your busy lifestyle.